Yes, it is time for us to check out our favorite guy, Malume John. Are you ready for Malume John? Malume John uyayifika njalo asikhulumele la izindaba ezithinta ezezimoto nanokuthi ungasiva kanjani uma udinga ama-parts emoto yakho. So hlala ke ungaphuthelwa.
Bashana about me.
Malume John.
Bashana about
John High.
Bashana about me.
Bad boys.
Bashana about
Spaz boys.
Bashana about me.
Good afternoon, Malume John. How are you doing this afternoon?
Good afternoon, Mr. Mzu. I'm doing absolutely perfectly, and you guys?
We were talking with Deeps that we need to pop in for some coffee one of these days, eh?
Please, otherwise I'm coming to visit you and to fetch you for cake and coffee.
That'll be good as well.
No, we want to come to you. We want to come and hang out there. How is life, man? How are the boys?
We're very well at the boys. We're into February, the hot month. Things are happening. We're excited. We're on our way towards Easter. No complaints. Just life is beautiful.
Today we're touching on preventing possible car problems. What are possible problems to look for?
To all the listeners out there, please, just as you listen to your body, if you've got a problem and you attend to it, you need to be listening to your car as well, because basically, what are the signs? You know, so there could be sluggishness of your car. There could be a small noise that's starting to happen. And very, very often, you know, it could be spark plugs, it could be injectors, it could be any one of the small little problems. And these problems, unfortunately, normally result in your car using way more fuel than it needs to, and the efficiency not being where it's supposed to. So please, my appeal to all the listeners out there is just pay attention to your car. Any little thing, vibration on your steering wheel or noise that's coming from your car that you're not normally used to, please get these things attended to ASAP, because leaving them, and I know it's very difficult for the listeners out there because it comes to spending money, and everybody's trying to avoid spending the money. But by avoiding spending the money, the problem can just get worse, and at the end of the day, it costs you way more than what it should cost you. So please, my appeal to all the listeners out there is just be aware of your car and any little problems that start happening on your car, from the smallest little thing to whatever it is, a loud clanging sound. But if you have any doubt, you're more than welcome to pop in, come past the shop, let us have a quick evaluation of your car and help you, direct you in the correct direction to save you as much money as possible. So that's my advice out there at the moment, is just try and prevent any possible further problems that you might occur by being aware of how your car is driving, any noise that you're not accustomed to. So just be aware of it, and we're here to help you attend to it, save money, and get your problems solved as quickly as possible.
And what would be the best way for you guys to deal with the problems and issues that we have? Would it be best for us to utilize it on in-store, maybe online, maybe through your WhatsApp? Which is the best way to deal with the Boyz group?
For the listeners out there, no matter what it is, whatever is easier for you, we're here to help serve you, the listeners out there. So you're more than welcome to pop into the shop, no matter what brand you have. We have divisions here. So whether you're coming to Spares Boyz or whether you're coming to Parts Boyz, pop in and come and see us. If you can't pop in and come and see us, well then pop onto the website. There are websites for Parts Boyz, there are websites for Spares Boyz, there are websites for Africa Boyz online, or if you want to give us a call, you can reach us via the telephone lines, Or for those listeners who want to place orders online and get parts delivered to them, we deliver right through the Natal area and the whole of South Africa. So basically for the Spares Boys brands being Mercedes, BM, Honda, Tata, Hyundai, Kia, Jeep, Land Rover, Renault, Peugeot, Citroen and Volvo, we have the division here at Spares Boys that does the full range of new and used spares. At Parts Boys, we do every single brand that's available on the market out there. So whatever is easier for the listeners, to pop in, to give us a call on the telephone lines 031 579 8500 or the WhatsApp lines on 031 579 8501 or the website. Or if you're just an armchair and you want to pop on and get the parts ordered online and delivered to you, it's Africa Boys Online, all one word, website or their WhatsApp number on 031 579 8524 for Africa Boys. But whatever is easier for the listener, at the end of the day, we are a service company. So whatever is easier for you, the listeners out there, we are here to serve you. So pop in, give us a call on the telephone lines, pop onto the website, put an inquiry through. No matter how you contact us, our service across all three of the platforms is exactly the same, and we're here to really wow you with service and with our backup. So whatever is easier for the listener, we just here to make it as easy as possible to facilitate you, but you're more than welcome to use any one of the platforms. Pop in to come and see us. We'll help solve all of your problems.
Thank you so much. Let's catch up again same time next week.
100%, and I look forward to the coffee and the cake.
Definitely going to happen.
And to all the listeners out there, if you want to pop in for a cup of coffee, you're more than welcome to pop into the shop. Unfortunately, a bit difficult for me to send you the coffee online.
There you go. And do pop in over big now at Spares Boys. Then we'll be 031 579 8500.